Hello Storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a hall pass template using one of Storyboard that's pre-made templates. So let's get started. First we're going to choose a template that we like this one, and all we have to do is click the copy template button that is directly below. Now this will bring you directly into the Storyboard Creator where it will then prompt you to give your storyboard a name. You can name it whatever you would like. I'm going to go with template 1 and then click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add any items, characters, update the text, whatever we want to do. So first, I'm going to add a character. So go up to your character menu. I'm going to stay in adult and find somebody that looks like a teacher. This looks pretty good. Just drag and drop the character you would like into your template. And now we get to customize our character. So you can change facial expressions, poses, as well as other physical characteristics. Alright, I think that's pretty good, and when you're all done, just click Update Pose. Great. Now you can move your character anywhere you want to in your storyboard. You can also change their size by dragging the corner of the image. So let's make them a little bit larger, and I like them right about here. Now this looks pretty good, but they are covering up our text, so let's crop our character. If you go into the right-hand menu, in Edit, you can click the Crop button, and in Standard Crop, all you have to do is just grab the bottom of this box all the way up to wherever you would like it cropped. Now we have a bit of a transparency here so I can see the hall/office pass line right there. So I'm going to bring this crop right up here and then click OK. Alright, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Alright, let's reposition that a little bit. Now next is items. You can browse the items category as well as search for any specific item you want in the upper right hand search menu. Now I would like to add a book to the library pass. So in our items we can go to the school category and let's put in a book. Alright, this looks pretty good. Just drag and drop just like your character and position wherever you would like. Alright, you can also update the color in the right hand menu. Alright, I like that yellow. It matches this background pretty nice. Now next is backgrounds. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing designs. Just simply click on the item and you can change the color in the right hand menu to whatever you would like. Or if you want to change the design completely, just delete the original one and put in a new scene. So let's go up to our scene menu. I would like something fairly simple, kind of like what we have here. So I'm going to go to patterns and scroll for one that I like. Alright, I like this design right here, so all we have to do is drag and drop into our storyboard. Now, if you wanted to fill this to the entire frame, all you would have to do is click Stretch to Fill. But I don't want to do that. I want to keep it within the hall pass box, so we're going to do this manually. So I'm just going to slide this over, and just like your character, you're just going to drag the corner of the image until it gets to the size that you like. And I'm going to crop off the side. So in our edit, we're going to click crop and just drag this over. And when you have it where you like, just click OK. All right, perfect. Now this is blocking all of our text and information that we want to see. So let us send this to the back of the page. And then if we bring it forward one, we should be able to see it. All right, perfect. Now, last but not least is text boxes. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is click on it and type in your own words. So here we have library pass. I can just change this to hall pass, but I still want to keep it a library pass. So let's go back and change it again. Now you can also change the font as well as its size. Just highlight the text that you want to change, and in the text editor, you should be able to just change your font. There it is. I want something a little bit more serious, so let's click this font. And it's a little big, so let's bring it down. All right, perfect. Now when you're all done making your changes, all you have to do is click the Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a hall pass template using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.